Hello everybody, I just wanted to take you out here and let you see our chickens. We only have 3, but they're lots of fun, and I'm just going to let them out so they can have their food this morning. So here we go. They're inside their coop up there, and they have a little ladder to get down. Okay, these birds are quite silly, and they like to come out to the top, so we'll see if they'll fly out. Here they come. Alright, so now they're out and they're going to go have their food. These 3 girls are so much fun. We haven't had them for very long, but they are lots of fun they've brought to the family, and we're excited to get more in the future.